Okay, child. What are you doing with your new bed? Benny, you do know you're supposed to lay on top of it? You think you're so funny. You think you are so funny. Yes, I know. Because look what I can do. I should have called you Stuart. I don't know, would Benny left? You funny kid. You funny kid. You funny kid. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You give her kisses? Your lip. I'd rather get kisses than bite these. Naughty child.